Top 10 softwares for civil engineers. When you are a civil engineer, you are automatically considered a designer. As a civil engineer, you may need to learn how to use a variety of design tools so you can choose the one that suits you for any given task. Today, I will share with you a list of 10 such softwares which are exorbitantly used by many civil engineers all around the world. Irrespective of the ranking, these 10 softwares are very much useful in construction projects. By the end of this video, you will get to know which software you need to learn based on your area of interest or specialization, whether it's modeling, structural design, project management, or GIS. Hi, I am Manish Jain, founder of SkyMount EduCAD, an institute known for providing quality CAD training at Hubli since 2006. I am recommending these softwares based on my 15 years of expertise in the CAD training industry. In today's video, you will see the various 10 softwares which are highly in demand and used by civil engineers. The first category is drafting and modeling. In this category, the first software is AutoCAD, a product of Autodesk and most popular drafting tool. All civil engineering students are supposed to know how to use AutoCAD. Most colleges have a module which teaches it, but the information is often basic, leaving students with basic AutoCAD skills, which is not enough when you go to industry. That's why it's recommended to learn this software completely. AutoCAD can be used in almost any civil engineering field for design and detailing. Best for detailing structural drawings, best accuracy, reduced errors which helps in saving time and money, easy to store and share the drawings across projects and export to other softwares as well. Let's look at some of the possible designs you can do in AutoCAD. 2D plan, 2D elevation using commands like hatch, gradient, layer, permission drawings showing various details, foot over bridge. As a civil engineer, apart from making plan, your main purpose of using AutoCAD software would be to show structural detailing like this. Quick tip: if you are a student, you can use all versions of AutoCAD, including the latest one, for free through student account. Find the link in the description. Number second is Revit Architecture. Revit is a BIM software. BIM is an acronym for Building Information Modeling or Building Information Management. It is an intelligent 3D model based collaborative process that allows architects, engineers, and other construction professionals to plan, design, and construct a structure or building with one 3D model. Benefits of Revit software: if you do a 2D plan, from the same plan you can generate a 3D model very quickly. It's possible because of its BIM capabilities. And from the same 3D model, you can get elevations and sections. You can do multiple floors easily in Revit. You can do designs with irregular shape using massing concept. Can show area drawings in Revit, as well as you can get this kind of rendered 3D model in Revit. Number third is 3ds Max. 3ds Max is most popular software for architectural visualization of exteriors and interiors, for rendering, for applying materials, textures, creating photorealistic rendering, lighting effects like shadows and sunlights, and walkthrough, that is creating a video of the upcoming project. Let's take a look at few of the elevations done using 3ds Max. Number 4 is SketchUp. It's a lightweight and easy to learn software for 3D modeling. Using SketchUp, you can import 2D drawing from AutoCAD or Revit and convert into 3D quickly. Exteriors and interior design can be done, 3D cut section can be shown. Let's take a look at a few of the models done in SketchUp. SketchUp doesn't have its own rendering engine. So for rendering, you need to use a plugin called as V-Ray. Using V-Ray plugin, you can get professional rendering quality images like this. Number 5 is Lumion. Lumion is a 3D rendering software made specially for architects. It is the latest way to pick up your 3D model and create a scene around it in a matter of minutes. You can create a 360-degree panoramic view. It has a vast library of 3D objects can easily create sunlight, shadow and other effects through ready tools. Best suited for landscaping and can create walkthrough very much easily. All these 5 softwares which are mentioned in this category of drafting and modeling, that is AutoCAD, 3ds Max, Revit, SketchUp and Lumion, are used by civil engineers, architects and interior designers, or anyone who is interested in the field of architectural visualization. The next softwares in the category of structural design are specifically meant for civil engineers. The first one is STAAD Pro. STAAD is an acronym for Structural Analysis and Aided Design. STAAD Pro is a structural analysis and design software which is widely used to analyze and design structures for bridges, towers, buildings, tunnels, piles, industrial and utility structures. It supports over 90 international steel, concrete, timber and aluminum design codes. Advantages of using STAAD Pro. Using STAAD Pro, you can do reinforcement design, earthquake design, foundation design and perform design checks. You can design structure for any type of load, that is dead load, live load, wind load, snow load, area load, flow load, etc. You can show accuracy in results of shear force, bending moment diagram for each and every beam and column of the structure. You can design simple beam to skyscraper and analyze whether it will fail at applied load or pass. You can import designs from AutoCAD to STAAD Pro, and the best part is it is very easy to learn. The next software for structural design is ETABS. ETABS stands for Extended Three-Dimensional Analysis of Building System. ETABS is majorly used for analysis of towers, that is tall structures, as it is good in wind load analysis. Even the world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa, is designed using ETABS. Large and most complex building models are easily configured with its best integrated systems, and it is graphical and object-based interface. Advantages of ETABS. ETABS software is used for the analysis of concrete, shear walls and concrete moment frames. It is highly acclaimed for static and dynamic analysis of multi-story frame and shear wall buildings. It is the most popular civil designing tools used in the building industry and increases the productivity of structural engineers. It analyzes and assesses seismic performance and checks the load-bearing capacity of building structures. Using this software, you can view and manipulate the analytical model with great accuracy. Plans and elevation views are auto-generated at every grid line. As per my opinion, you at least learn STAAD Pro immediately because it's easy to learn and widely accepted in India. Other softwares more or less resembles to it. Lots of trial and error checking, freedom with ease, repeat work and corrections freedom with the help of STAAD editor options. Also suggest that learn ETABS quickly because industry nowadays are fast following ETABS due to less software runtime, design accuracy, globally accepted and more sophisticated software tools. Once you learn STAAD Pro and ETABS, other tools like SAP 2000, SAFE, you can learn very easily and by yourself. The next category is project planning and management, and the software we use for this is Primavera. The most critical thing in construction project is time. Timely completion of project and delivery. Delay in completion of projects leads to escalation of cost. That is why big construction companies where there are multiple projects, be it apartments, commercial complexes, highways, bridges, having multiple factors that influences the outcome like labor, materials, tools and so on, a formal reporting, monitoring and controlling mechanism is required. That's where project planning and management comes into picture. Project planning and management is crucial for architecture, engineering and construction industry to enhance both financial and qualitative performance of the industry. PPM helps plan, organize, schedule, track and report the project process. The most popular software used for this is Primavera, which is now owned by Oracle. Benefits of using Primavera: collaboration between all the stakeholders of the project, resource optimization and forecasting, trend analysis to reduce cost, forecasting of project activities, tracking features to meet deadlines, break down complex projects into smaller achievable projects, tasks and activities. Once you obtained Primavera training, you may simply find better job opportunities. You could possibly be offered better position within your own company and your salary could possibly be raised. Number 9 is Civil 3D. Civil 3D is a civil infrastructure design and documentation software. Students who enroll for this course can create and analyze surfaces, road corridors and layout of networks. It's best suited for civil engineers with background in surveying. And number 10 is ArcGIS. It's a mapping software written in Python and developed by Environmental System Research Institute. Because of mobile phone, GPS and Google Earth Maps have gained a lot of importance, as there is demand for students knowing such softwares. Geographic information system is important because it helps facilitate the discovery of trends and relationships based on geospatial information. Data captured by satellites can be uploaded into GIS and show all kinds of information about a city, such as income, voting patterns or transportation networks. Apart from these 10 softwares, I'd like to mention here about steel detailing. A steel detailer is a person who produces detailed drawing for steel fabrication and steel erectors. Steel detailing is a specialist area of structural drafting. A steel detailing company interprets architectural and structural engineering drawings to gain a thorough working knowledge of the overall design intent of a building or a structure. Using this translated information, the steel detailing company then produces an altogether different set of clear and accurate drawing for the purpose of steel work fabrication. A steel detailer broadly generates the layout instructions to facilitate the installation and erection of the steel framework. Most popular detailing software for steel detailing is Tekla and SDS2. Let me quickly summarize. The top 10 softwares for civil engineers are AutoCAD for drafting, 3ds Max, Revit, SketchUp and Lumion for 3D modeling, rendering and walkthrough, StatPro and ETABS for structural design, and Primavera for project management, Civil 3D for modeling and documenting infrastructure projects, and ArcGIS for mapping, and Tekla for steel detailing. That completes the list of 10 most popular software which every civil engineer can possibly learn. Hope you found the video useful. Do drop in a comment and I see you in the next video. This is Manish Jain signing off.